Hi, in this video you will learn how to multiply fractions. Let's start by multiplying two proper fractions. We have 3/4 times 3/5. Multiplying fractions is very straightforward. You simply multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So here we have 3 times 3 and that's just equal to 9. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So the answer to this equation is 9 over 20. Here we have 2/3 times 1/4. Again, we simply multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Let's start with the numerators. We have 2 times 1, so the answer is 2. Then we multiply the denominator. We have 3 times 4, so the answer is 12. So the answer to this equation is 2 over 12. But 2 over 12 can still be simplified. We can simplify this by dividing the numerator and the denominator by its GCF, which is 2. Dividing it by 2, the result would be 1 over 6, and 1 over 6 is the simplified answer. Here's another example. We have 6 over 7 times 1 over 12. To solve this, we simply multiply 6 and 1, and the answer is 6. Next, we multiply the denominator. 7 times 12 is 84. So the answer to this operation is 6 over 84. But take note, I can still simplify 6 over 84. We simplify this by dividing the numerator and the denominator with their GCF. Their GCF is 6. So when we divide by 6, the answer is 1 over 14. Here, we need to multiply a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. For us to multiply the two fractions, we must change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. The improper form of 2 and 3/4 is 11 over 4. Here's how it was done. We multiply the denominator to the whole number. So that's 4 times 2. And the answer is 8. Next, we add 8 to the numerator. And the answer to that is 11. The number 11 will become the numerator. And for the denominator, you simply copy the previous denominator. In this case, it's 4. Now let's change this to improper form and start multiplying. 11 times 3 is 33. And 4 times 5 is 20. So, the answer to this is 33 over 20, which can also be changed to mixed fraction. In this case, it's 1 and 13 over 20. In this example, we have to multiply a whole number to a fraction. If you remember, the denominator of any whole number is 1. So this whole number can be rewritten as 3 over 1. Now we can multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. And 1 times 5 is 5. So the answer to this is 9 over 5, which can also be changed to mixed fraction. So we have 1 and 4/5. Here's a summary of the steps that we take in multiplying fractions.